Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name: blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, yellow ochre color, black color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O-N-E 1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. T-W-O 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. T-H-R-W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use red color. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. The numbers of 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. S-I-X 6. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use green color. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use green color and draw 10. T-E-N 10. The numbers of 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and again use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw 14. The numbers of 14 and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16. Seventeen. The numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use blue color. Kids now draw 20. The numbers of 20 and again use blue color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.